Final months. The Gumm family packed up their happy home in Grand Rapids, heading out to sunny California. Now, perhaps they dreamed of success, but along the way, Baby would recall how her mother would sing a sad song that would always make them cry. Well, we know of the success, but life and time would separate this happy family. Sometimes it does.
Never know when skies are bright how soon the storms will rise, and just when everything's alright you get a big surprise. When I had you, life seemed worthwhile, the days went flying past, but now you're gone, I still can smile. I knew it could never last. So I've been saving for a rainy day. All the sunshine that you gave me, just like a I've been saving for a rainy day. I just received your letter, dear, in answer